Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Yoyomax Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, powerful pool vacuum with 60 to 90 minutes working time, auto-dock self-parking technology. Suitable for above/in-ground swimming pools up to 861 square feet. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Cleaning upgraded suction power from dual drive motors propelling our pool cleaner robot at 52.5 feet per minute. The 5000 mAh battery ensures 90 minutes of thorough cleaning. Wider suction nozzles capture debris up to 5.5 inch wide, providing a pristine pool. Cleaning range with an upgraded 3.9 liters filter volume. Our robotic pool cleaner is perfect for above-ground pools, up to 35 feet dia, and flat-floored in-ground pools, 17x 50 feet. It tackles inclines up to 15 degrees with its precise brush for meticulous cleaning. Ashore and recharge advanced battery detection technology automatically stops the cordless robotic pool cleaner near the shore when low on battery or after the cleaning cycle. Simply pull up the floating handle for easy retrieval. Recharge in 4 to 6 hours using a 110V outlet. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.